Know that recursive functions are those functions that call themselves during their execution until certain conditions are not satisfied. We have already discussed about factorial and Fibonacci series as an example for recursive function. One more example is binary to decimal conversion. This is also one of the lab program, that is program 15, implement recursive functions for binary to decimal conversion. We have to read a binary number, then we have to convert that into decimal value using the concept of recursive function. For example, if we consider the binary value as 101, its decimal value is 5. 1001, 9. 1000 is 8. 0100 is 4. Let's see the program. Declare the function binary to decimal. Declare the variables binary num, decimal num, that is binary number and decimal number are considered as long int. Next, enter a binary number. So read a binary value. So let me consider the binary value as 101. Next, decimal number is equal to binary to decimal of binary num. So now for the function binary to decimal, we are passing the input value. So input is 101. So whatever the final value we'll get, that will be stored in the variable decimal num. Now decimal num is equal to binary to decimal of binary num. So we are calling a function binary to decimal. Go to function binary to decimal. Binary to decimal of int num. So for this function we are passing the value 101. Now the number, that is binary number, is equal to 101. Now check the condition. If not of num divided by 10, then return num. If the evaluated value is true or 1 or any integer, its negation, that is not of true or not of 1, means 0. That is, when you are evaluating, that is num divided by 10, if the condition is true, then we need to find out its negation. That is, negation of true is false. In such case, we need to go for the second written statement, that is for the else part. In case if the condition is true, that is when you are evaluating the expression num divided by 10, if the value is 0, that is nothing but false, then find out the negation. So negation of 0, that is not of 0 or not of false, is true. Then in such condition we have to execute the first written statement, that is return of num. Let's see with the example. Now num is equal to 101. Check the condition. If not of num divided by 10, so that is 101 divided by 10 is 10. So 10, it is a non-zero value. So not of 10 is false, because not of true, not of something is some integer value is 0. So that is false. So go to the next written statement. Let's execute return of num modulus 10 plus binary to decimal of num divided by 10 into 2. That is return of 101 modulus 10 plus binary to decimal of 101 divided by 10 into 2. That is 101 modulus 10 is 1. Now binary to decimal of 101 divided by 10. So 101 divided by 10 is 10. So now again we need to call the function. Now this is a recursive function. So what we are getting here? Return of 1 plus binary to decimal of 10 into 2. Now again for the function binary to decimal, we need to pass a value num, that is 10. 10 is passed for the binary to decimal function. For this section, check the condition. If not of num divided by 10. Now in this case, number is 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 is nothing but true. Not of true or not of 1 is false. So go to the else part or for the second written statement. That is written of 10 modulus 10 plus binary to decimal 10 divided by 10 into 2. Now the entire statement becomes written of 1 plus written of 10 modulus 10 plus binary to decimal 10 divided by 10 into 2 whole into 2. So just substitute this for the previous statement. Evaluate the entire thing. That is written of 1 plus written of 0 plus binary to decimal of 1 into 2 into 2. Again we have one more recursive function in this statement, that is binary to decimal of 1. Again check the condition. If not of num divided by 10. Now in this case binary num is equal to 1. If not of 1 divided by 10, 1 divided by 10 is 0. 0 point something, since it is an integer, so it will consider the whole number, that is 0. Now not of 0. 0 is false, so not of false is true. Now in this case the if condition is true because not of 0, not of false is true. So now if true, return num. So that is execute the next immediate statement. Now in this case what is the value of num? That is 1. So return num. Now substitute the same value in the expression, that is return of 1 plus return of 1 into 2 into 2. So finally you will get return of 1 plus 4, that is return 5. Pass this value, that is 5, to the main function. That is print the value of decimal. This binary number is 101 and equivalent decimal number is 5. Just go through the tracing. So in the main function part, if not of num divided by 10, so that in case if that is evaluated as true, then execute the first written statement, that is return of num. Otherwise go for the second written statement.